Hi. In 2008, I was very new to training field. I got a call from a college. It was a HOD of a department has called me and they said they want to conduct a kind of a training program. It's supposed to be for nearly about 3 hours, they told me. Uh, and of course, there will be an inauguration at the beginning of the program and I can do 3 hours training. Of course, they asked me what kind of a topic it can be. I took some 2 or 3 hours and they told, I had given them a title as employability, like to take up an interview or how to prepare for interview, how to be in the interview, dress code, everything. That's what I thought of handling it. I titled it as employability. That's it. I told them that I'll be coming on this day morning. They said 9:30 will be the inauguration. Maybe about 9:35, 9:45, 9:50, the inauguration will be over, so that the floor will be handed over to you. You can do a training program. In between, there will be a tea break. This is what they said. I didn't talk to them much because I was totally new to this training field. The day comes there, I didn't go by car. Because it's somewhere around 80 kilometers away from my hometown. I had gone by bus from their city to their college. I went there by town bus. In fact, it was the first time that I'm that area because it's completely new to me. So I inquired at the bus stand about the town buses. Of course, they showed me a route. When I got down just in front of the college, I found a bike set was playing, and it was huge amount of some film songs. And the students were with the new dresses, sari. Girls were with sari. Boys are with the traditional attire, dhoti. Everything were there. A big rangoli was there in the lobby. I was just crossing through everything. The moment when I step up in their lobby, I found welcome Nanda Kumar. I was surprised and shocked. The audio, the welcome, the colorful dresses are to welcome me because they have a kind of departmental function and I happens to be the chief guest coming by town bus. Just imagine it. I was very felt pity on this because when you happen to be a chief guest, you need to maintain such a dignity, like a dress code, and you must go by a car, so that the student will feel wow because you are standing there as an example, role model, because you are a senior, like you have studied long back and you have achieved something. That's the reason you are standing in front of them and addressing. So this will the dress code and the vehicle, the appearance of you it has to create an impression among the student. Of course, I know it, but communication gap. I didn't ask them clearly what are the things that they are going to do. When I entered inside, the department was completely burning. Now people were so busy. Their trustees are about to come. All parapara, daradara. No, people were. The moment when I entered inside, I said, I'm Nanda Kumar, but they didn't know how I come. They thought that chief guest has come, hey, chief guest, chief guest, chief guest. No, they are given, they are completely been silent and they are given a way, they are given a chair, and of course, HOD was not there in his room and he had gone somewhere, it seems. And they said, go and bring HOD. And they had given me a cool drinks, no, kind of a rich treatment started getting it. I went there with the laptop bag. I didn't tell them that I have come by bus because somebody might be noticing it, but I've not been very sure. They don't know that I'm the chief guest. Outside, I'm talking about. So I was silent, calm, but it was lingering in my mind. The mistake has done. For any trainer, if he finds some mistake at the beginning itself, he will not be comfortable on his presentation. It took me some time to make up myself, but I made it. I justified it. I given enough amount of information to the students. Whatever I prepared, I had given to them. At the end of the program, of course, I didn't ask anything about the vehicle. They have arranged their own vehicle. They dropped me in the bus stand. I have come back. That day I decided, whenever someone calls it, it's not just asking about the title or the duration. I will ask about the details of the program. That was a better experience, taught me more. From then onwards, I used to ask at least a three time or four time that I used to talk to people in a frequent interval. I post some questions. My questions may be different and they may add some more answers inside so that I can completely envisage about the program, a style of the program, style of the hall, everything. It was totally different experience altogether. In case if you have been invited, no, careful on this point, asking about everything, not just about the topic, a type of program too, will safeguard you at the beginning to start the program. Because as a presenter, as a speaker, you need to be confident enough to talk to these people so that the program will be so beautiful, it will be rememberable to everyone. Thank you.